Introduction to Charging. To better manage your chronic pain with your Boston Scientific Stimulator, it's important that you know how to use the charger. This short video will teach you how to use the charger correctly. The video should not be viewed as a substitute or shortcut for reading the charger handbook. You should always read and fully understand the contents of the handbook before using your Boston Scientific charger. In this video, you will learn how to charge your charger, size your charging belt, use your charger to charge the stimulator, and set up your charging schedule. If you have any questions about the charger, please call our patient support line. Charging your charger. Your Boston Scientific Stimulator is powered by a rechargeable battery and can be recharged by the charging system that comes with it. The charging system consists of a power supply, a base station, and the charger. The charger needs to be charged in the base station before it can be used to charge the stimulator. To use the charging system, place the base station on a flat surface near an electrical outlet. Be sure it's not near water or direct heat. Plug one end of the power supply into the wall outlet and the other end into the base station connector. You may also consider using a surge protector as well. Then place the charger in the base station. Keep the base station plugged in so that it's always ready to deliver a charge. It's designed for this kind of use, so you don't have to keep plugging and unplugging it whenever you need to charge the charging unit. The charger also has an indicator light. When the light is green, the charger is ready to charge your stimulator. But when the light turns amber, it means the charger is only partially charged. When this happens, the charger can still be used for charging, but may not be able to fully charge your stimulator. When you lift the charger off the base station, the indicator light always goes off. So be sure to check the light before removing the charger from the base station. Troubleshooting. If the charger's indicator light goes off when the charger is in the base station, or the light does not go on when you place it on the base station, the problem may be a loose connection. Make sure that the charger is correctly seated in the base station and that the connections are tight. You may also want to check whether the wall outlet or your surge protector has been turned off. Sizing the charging belt. The charger belt is designed specifically for use with the Boston Scientific charger. It lets you charge your stimulator by putting the charger into the belt pouch and wearing it directly over your stimulator. To adjust the length of the charger belt, place it around your body and insert each strap through the belt loop. Then secure both by using the fasteners. If the charger belt is too small, a charger belt extension is available. When using the extension, simply insert one strap through the loop on the extension and fasten the strap onto the belt. That will extend the length of the belt, allowing it to fit comfortably. If the belt is too big, we also offer a smaller size belt. If you need to order a charger belt extension, a small size charger belt, or a replacement belt loop, please call our patient care team. Using the charger to charge the stimulator. When the indicator light is green, remove the charger from the base station and press the power button. The indicator light comes on again, and the charger begins beeping steadily to signal that it's searching for the stimulator. Place the charger into the pouch of the charger belt. so that you can see the power button through the mesh fabric. Then close the pouch and place the charger belt around your body, making sure that the power button and mesh fabric are facing out. Adjust the straps so that the belt is slightly loose at first. To properly use the charger belt, both straps must go through the belt loop. Position the charger over the stimulator. The beeping stops when the charger is over the stimulator. The charger is looking to find your metal implant, and once it detects the implant, it will stop beeping. Tighten the belt once the charger is positioned over the stimulator. For best results, occasionally check the charger to make sure that it's centered over your stimulator. If the charger is not centered over your stimulator, charging time will vary. Many patients are able to feel the implanted stimulator and can place the charger directly on top of it. For those who can't feel their stimulator, centering the charger within the area where the charger does not beep will also ensure that the charger is aligned. Here's how to do it. First, move the charger up and down from top to bottom over the stimulator. Listen for the beep to stop on each side of your stimulator. Then move the charger to the midpoint of that range. Next, move the charger from side to side and listen for the beeping to stop on each side. Once again, move the charger to that midpoint. This is the easiest method when trying to center the charger directly over your stimulator. Remember to tighten the belt once the charger is positioned over the stimulator. The charger should also be well ventilated for best charging results. You can accomplish this by leaving the charger or charging belt exposed to the air while charging. Things that may prevent good ventilation include wearing heavy clothes over the charger, wrapping yourself in a blanket, and pressing the charger against a pillow or upholstery while charging. Things to consider while charging. Maintaining charger alignment. If you hear the charger beeping a single beep tone, the charger belt has slipped out of alignment. If that happens, simply readjust the belt so that the charger moves back into the right position. Using the remote to check the stimulator battery status. Your remote control displays the stimulator battery status when communicating with your stimulator, but the remote control will not be able to communicate with the stimulator when charging. To check the battery status on your remote control while you're charging, first turn the charger off. Then check the battery status indicator on the remote control. Charging complete. When the charger makes a distinct double beep, the stimulator is fully charged. The double beeping sounds for 60 seconds and then stops. At this point, the indicator light on the charger turns off. Remove the charger belt, turn the charger off by pressing the power button, and return the charger to the base station. Beep meanings. Different beeps have different meanings. The end of a charge signal is a distinct double beep. The misalignment signal is a steady, continuous beep telling you the charger is out of position. If the charger needs to be recharged, it beeps slowly, no matter what kind of alignment it has with the stimulator. When this happens, discontinue charging the stimulator and put the charger back on the base station to recharge. Setting up a charging schedule. Boston Scientific recommends that you follow any recharging routine that fits your schedule and lifestyle. Just be sure that the stimulator keeps a sufficient charge to do its job without interruption. Because each person is different, the amount of time needed to spend on charging depends on how much power you have used since your last charge. Recharging your stimulator battery is similar to recharging your cell phone. If you're making calls all day long, you'll have to recharge it more often. But if you only use it a couple of times throughout the day, that same charge will last much longer. How long will it take you to charge? Charge time varies from person to person. How frequently you have to charge depends on how many hours per day you use your stimulator and also the strength of your program. The longer you wait between charges, the longer charging will take. If you find you want to shorten the charging time, simply make sure to charge more frequently. To make sure you have a full charge, wait until the charger makes an end-of-charge beep signal. You can also check the remote control display to see if the battery is fully charged. Whenever the remote control indicates a low battery, the stimulator should be recharged as soon as possible. With each charge, wait until you hear the double beep to ensure that you've completely recharged your battery. You can also check your remote control indicator after charging to see if your battery is full. Many patients make charging part of their routine. Some patients choose to start their charging session every week while they watch their favorite television show, while others might opt to charge while reading the morning paper. Charging works best when patients make it a normal part of their life. Pick the routine that works best for you and allows you to be sure that your stimulator is charged regularly. We hope this introduction to charging video has been helpful. Please remember you can consult your handbook, or if you have additional questions, can always call our patient support line. From all of us at Boston Scientific, thank you.